Welcome to the Climate News with Dumb and Dumber with Special Reporter Dumbest.
Hello, welcome to the Climate News. I'm Dumb. Today, a tornado has developed. By the cool, dry air and the warm, humid air colliding. Take it away, Dumber.
Tornadoes, they're crazy. Oh my God, that can get up to a 1, 2, 3, 4, even a 5. The air is also fast. It go, and then your face go, ah, and then your mama go, oh yeah. At the tornado is at the start of the funnel with the cold and the warm air, like how Mr. Dumb said. Oh yeah, with the clouds, they start at the clouds. They don't get to cut it till they reach the ground with the dust. Woo-hoo. Go to the dumbest.
I'm Special Reporter Dumbest. First of all, we are all out here live. We're all freezing and beep, getting hit by hail like crazy. Just about 5 minutes ago, they discovered an F5. As you can see clearly, holy beep, it's right behind me. Winds approximately at 245 miles per hour. I'm about to get blown at this beep.
Oh, what the? Watch this video while we try to locate our reporter.
Is the video very funny?
Lo mam mi najta cegałce.